Alright guys, I wanted to make a quick update video on the New Zealand US dollar pair that we chose to trade because we thought there was going to be a trend. And guess what? There is a trend that happened. It did hit our goal here. As you could tell, it broke out through here. And I have reason to believe that it's going to continue up. It did get past the previous high, which is over here. It got past it. So I drew the lines right here in red. So I think it's going to keep going up this way, guys, and make some money there. So that worked out pretty well. Pretty happy with that. Hopefully you guys are following me. I just started doing these videos right now, so I don't expect too many of you guys to be following me right now, but if you are, nice. We're using some very good proven strategies here. This is a good trade. You guys could get in right now if you guys want to. Depends what time you get to see this video, but we are using the daily chart, so it goes super slow. You guys can even wait a day before you put your trade in because this is a daily chart. But as you can see, the 20 and the 50 moving averages crossed as well. So this is a very, very good setup. I think it might continue to go up. I'll continue to make more update videos, guys. Let me know if you like these videos, and I'll see you soon in the next update video.